The one investment that you passed on that still makes you say, what if?
There are many investments you pass on where we made a lot of money, but I don't regret any of them because the ones we've done are doing well. So you've got to be a little philosophical about this. So we said no to Flipkart in the angel round without meeting them, without even meeting them. I didn't know who they were, right? I said no to Ola in the angel round after meeting Bhavish. Right. I said no to Snapdeal twice at 28 million.
Right.
We said no to Lenskart. Okay. In the angel round. So there were several companies that said no to. We had a logic, we had a reason.
Right.
We were wrong. I said no to Myntra. We were wrong.
Which is fair because you have a lot of winners as well on the flip side.
Do teen to hai, you see, so it's okay.
One word for the current Indian startup funding climate.
I think right now it's fairly discerning. Okay, it was overheated till 2021. But now it's fairly discerning. People are more thoughtful, they take their time.
Right.
So FOMO was replaced by fear. Now it's coming back a bit. But my experience tells me, rule of thumb, madness takes 7 or 8 years to return.
Right.
So .com meltdown happened in 2000, madness returned in 2007.
2008 again, downturn.
Madness came back in about 2000. It began, market began to come around 2013, 14.
Right.
It went totally mad by 2021. And then when it corrected, and the Fed, I think by 2028, 29, maybe it'll return.
Right.
7-8 साल लगते हैं. The thing is that the people who committed these excesses, 7 years later, they're not there. There is new people committing the same excesses. Because those guys have learned their lessons.
And of course, today's environment where you got memories going crazy and chip stocks going crazy and the AI madness, does that scare you at times as well?
So India is away from that.
It is.
Because we don't have our own LLMs. No. We don't make our own chips. No. In fact, we have our stock market has suffered because of that, because a lot of money has left India.
Right.
Because they find Korea, Taiwan, US, Japan are more lucrative markets because those markets are markets where there's compute, there is AI.
Right. So it might just play out better for us in the mid to longer term.
We don't know. See, if there's an AI correction, I'm reckoning that some money will come back to India.
I hope so. Because the index has delivered, 4.5% negative returns in 1 year right now. So.
So I think, look, as companies grow into their profitability, people will grow back into their valuations.
Right.
And you will see a steadier rate of return, whether or not US money comes back.
And that's a conversation worth having. Like, what do we need to bring the FIs back? Because
there's not
a lot of commentary on that.
There's not much you can do if AI is booming globally and compute is booming globally.
Right.
Because if those markets are delivering higher returns,
right,
money will go out of India into those markets.
Agreed. For sure. Yeah.
So something, the global environment has to change for that to happen. And we want Indian companies to continue to do well and compound.
Yeah. Dipinder Goyal or Yashish Dahiya, who called you more often in the early days?
I called them.
Okay.
More than they called me.
Got it. What's the one Indian jugaad moment from Naukri's early days that probably never made it to any interview?
I think most things have been talked about, but I'll tell you what, we had no money. We were broke. For 3 years, we were bootstrapping. Right? So, but we wanted our brand out there in the media.
Right.
Media, okay. Right. It means print media.
Yeah.
So we did an analysis of who's carrying appointment ads. And we figured 60 or 70% of the appointment ad budget was going to the Times of India group.
Right.
So TOIET.
Right.
So we began to go to the competitive papers in those cities because they did not have an appointment ad section because they would not get appointment ads.
Right.
Because appointment ads go to those places where there are already appointment ads because the readership congregates there.
Agreed.
Right. So if your paper is carrying 2 appointment ads, people look at jobs not come to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Smart.
So we went there and we said, listen, we'll give you a way to start an appointment ad section such that you can get more ads yourself.
Right.
Paid ads.
Right.
And get readership. And we'll do that by giving you jobs that are from Naukri And you can create an appointment ad section using Naukri jobs.
So win-win for them.
We want branding and our jobs exposure. We'll not pay you money. You don't have to pay us money for this data.
Right.
And your appointment ads team can go out and use that as a nucleus around which you get direct appointment ads paid for.
Right.
And we were able to sell this to 25 or 30 publications.
Love it.
Okay. And there was and it was a barter, and and that was huge.
Priceless eyeballs exposure.
It was huge. It was a good jugaad to build Naukri's brand.
Love it. Awesome. Thank you for
And
sharing.
it worked
that.
for 3 years, 4 years.
Yeah.
I'm sure you love this particular tip. If you want to watch the full episode, click on the link below and watch the whole episode.